Blessed love, this is Aleighcia Scott, and we are going to give you a special set to celebrate Gaerdydd, and it goes a little bit like this. So this is going out to all of my conscious queens. This is produced by Peckins Records. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'm a conscious queen, don't need nobody telling me. Now make no friend, call me, now look no friend in me. Step out of Babylon and then we will tread through Zion. I'm a conscious queen, don't need nobody telling me. Now make no friend, call me, now look no friend in me. Step out of Babylon and then we will tread through Zion. Heart filled with love and a belly full of hunger. If you want the next step, we have to fight it stronger. I'm not listening to those who don't think we can make it. Live the life you love and you love the life you live. All I am trying to be is positive. Seek for the guidance, allow yourself to grow. I'm a conscious queen, don't need nobody telling me. Now beg no friend, call me, now look no friend in me. Step out of Babylon and then we will tread through Zion. I'm a conscious queen, don't need nobody telling me. Now beg no friend, call me, now look no friend in me. Step out of Babylon and then we will tread through Zion. We can move mountains each and every week if we were together in unity and peace. Love is the foundation, that's where I want it to be. You have to understand that the only way is up, and the Almighty always filling my cup. Each one must teach one, help you to grow. I'm a conscious queen, don't need nobody telling me. Now beg no friend, call me, now look no friend in me. Step out of Babylon and then we will tread through Zion. I'm a conscious queen, don't need nobody telling me. Now beg no friend, call me, now look no friend in me. Step out of Babylon and then we will tread through Zion. The love that we give is so positive. Need to move forward, love has to live. To all my conscious queens, yeah. The love that we give is so positive. Need to move forward, love has to live. To all my conscious queens. I'm a conscious queen, don't need nobody telling me. Now beg no friend, call me, now look no friend in me. Step out of Babylon and then we will tread through Zion. I'm a conscious queen, don't need nobody telling me. Now beg no friend, call me, now look no friend in me. Step out of Babylon and then we will tread through Zion. To all my conscious queens, yeah. Thank you very much. So this next song is produced by Peckins Records, and it's a bit of a classic. You might know this one. It goes a little bit like this. It's not that I don't love you. You know how much I do. And it's not that I found somebody to take the place of you. Oh, don't love you. You know how much I do. And it's not that I found somebody to take the place of you, but it's just the feel within me when you touch my hand, and it's a fear that shakes my body, and I don't understand, so I'm leaving. This time I played it smart. I'm gonna walk away from love before love breaks my heart. Oh, my heart. Oh. I'm gonna walk away from love. I'm gonna walk away from love. You're clinging to me tighter than you have before, and you know it's gonna take everything to stop me walking out that door. You see these arms that you got around me, yeah, won't let me go someday. So I'd rather to leave them holding on than pushing me away. So I'm leaving. This time I played it smart. I'm gonna walk away from love before love breaks my heart. Oh, my heart. Oh. I'm gonna walk away from love. I'm gonna walk away from love. Walk away from love. Oh. So we have Sam Ross on keys. We have Ferg Harper on bass. We have Alex Dawson on drums. And we have Chip Hoolin on guitar. I'm gonna walk away from love. Thank you very much. So the next song we are going to do is a song called I Want You, and this is my brand new single produced by Kongs, and it goes just like this. no detail.